In this video, I will discuss the energy of money and how you can easily tap into this energy in a very powerful way that will allow you to much more easily manifest it into your life. Understanding this concept is very important to be able to easily manifest more abundance into your life. So be sure to watch to the end of this video so you can truly understand how the energy of money works and begin applying this technique that I am going to share. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with someone in your life that you think would find this information helpful. The law of attraction operates on the energy that you embody predominantly in the present moment, not the future. If you have a desire to manifest money so that you can feel more secure and free, then you must shift yourself into those states of being in which you feel that freedom and security. Merely hoping for money to show up later on down the line or in the future will not suffice. If you believe that you lack freedom and security in the present, and you're seeking abundance to resolve this, then you are in a state of lack that doesn't align with what you want. Where most people fall short in manifesting money is that they focus on the money itself rather than focusing on the feelings that this money represents for them. So in this case, money represents freedom and security, and this is what you are truly after. Tapping into these feelings of freedom and security and feeling as though you have this freedom to buy and do whatever you want is much more powerful than focusing merely on the object of money itself. Focusing on these feelings will help you develop a positive, energetic relationship with money. So often what gets in the way of people manifesting money into their life is their relationship with money. They relate to it as difficult to obtain and predominantly feel the lack of it rather than shifting their focus towards the feelings of security and freedom. Since everything is composed of energy at its most fundamental level, the fact is that abundance is present everywhere. It's our perception and energetic relationship with money that may make it appear otherwise. Abundance is truly around us. Look at the things in your life right now. At some point, money was used to obtain that object, and now it's in your possession. So let go of any idea that money is scarce. Most of us are always within a few feet of significant sums of money. Consider the amount of money in your local bank, multiple local banks, or the safes of nearby businesses. This money is also exchanged energetically through the internet every second of every day. The truth is that money is constantly surrounding us. It's always nearby, even if we can't see it. Money truly is just an object of energy. It's not something that needs to be put on a pedestal. What this means is that you're only a few feet away from the freedom, security, and luxury you truly want. It's not an unattainable goal, as it's literally within your grasp in the current moment. The only reason anyone lacks these things is due to their energetic relationship with them. Mastering this energy is key to achieving the freedom, security, and luxury that you desire. These things aren't in some far-off land. They're right in front of you, waiting for you to become a good host for them. In fact, when you start to effectively practice these feelings of freedom and security, you are literally bringing the energy of money into your energetic field in which it has no choice but to manifest in front of you. So how do you begin to cultivate these feelings and develop a strong, positive relationship with money? We will explore a couple of simple visualization techniques that will help you cultivate these feelings and can help you build a powerful and positive energetic connection with abundance. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit down and relax for a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to quiet your mind and focus your attention. Once you feel calm and centered, imagine yourself in a room that represents your energetic space. Take a moment to observe the objects and items in the room, paying attention to their physical form and shape. Now release the physical form of these objects and focus solely on their energetic essence. Imagine the objects melting away, leaving behind only the field of energy they carry. Observe the colors, texture, and quality of this energy. Take your time to feel this energy merging with your own, creating a single entity. As you practice this, you will strengthen your ability to connect with your surroundings on an energetic level, enhancing your intuitive awareness and sensitivity to the energy of the things around you. Once you have established this connection, it's time to select an object that represents abundance to you. This could be a car, a home, a bundle of cash, some jewelry, or anything else that symbolizes the freedom and security you desire. Visualize this object in your energetic room and observe its energy. Notice any differences between its energy and that of your current surroundings. Merge this object's energy with your own and observe the feelings of freedom, security, and abundance it brings. Now listen to the object's energy and ask what it needs from you to manifest itself in your life. This could come in the form of a feeling, a thought, or simple knowing. Be open and receptive to the guidance you receive. Ask the object what it needs you to do to become a good host for it. What can you do to match the energy of freedom, security, clarity, and abundance on a regular basis so that you are in alignment with it? Once again, listen for the answer you're given and be open to the guidance that comes. Don't overthink this too much. Now, once you feel the energy of this object, combined with your own in all of its thoroughness and intensity, offer gratitude that your relationship has begun to blossom in a positive and intimate way. This is what is required for the manifestation to occur. Capture this feeling in all of its essence. Now, practice this technique a couple times a day to begin improving your energetic relationship with abundance. Now, there is another technique that you can do if the latter technique doesn't resonate well with you. First, get into a relaxed state, just as you did with the first technique. Do your best to quiet your mind. Take about 5 to 10 minutes to do so. Then, imagine yourself doing something fun that you'd be doing if you were having the money that you desire. Feel that there are no limits to what you can do and have. Imagine yourself buying everything you desire because you have all the money in the world. Imagine yourself on a luxury vacation, sitting in first class. During this imaginal act, give yourself the freedom of being able to do everything you desire to do because you have this abundance of money. Now, have fun with this as much as you can. When you begin to radiate your energy in an intentional way and match the things that you want, you can manifest anything you desire. Now remember, building a positive and intimate relationship with abundance does take time, patience, and consistent effort. So be compassionate with yourself. But with practice and persistence, you can strengthen your connection to money and abundance and create the life of your dreams. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and share this video with someone in your life that you think would find this information helpful. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded so you can accelerate your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.